Hi, ma'am. How may I help you today?
I'd like to deposit $100, please. Well, I mean, like, withdraw, whatever. Can I get $100 from my bank account?
I'm so sorry, but, it says that you've been hacked in your bank account.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. Today I'm going to be going up to people and I'm going to be telling them that I'm a YouTuber and getting their reactions. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, no fail. Okay. What song should I play?
I don't know what's copyrighted or what's not.
Oh, never mind. I have two saved in my camera roll. Oh, sorry. Let me just get it. 510099 1278.
Tell me don't play anything, because I don't know what's copyrighted and what's not.
They can't even hear it.
Yes, they can.
Well, I'll turn it down. Can you hear it now?
Yep.
Come on, I like
Oh my gosh. Whatever.
What?
Whatever. If I get copyright strike, I don't care. Because I don't know what's copyright and what's not.
Well, I'm gonna get it to me like now.
Where'd you go? Oh. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Hey.
You know what? I don't want this song. Like, I like it, but I don't want it.
That person don't care. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That person don't care.
I'm sorry, but I gotta sing.
I'm begging you.
Making a video.
I need y'all to come out the Gerber case before Deontay get here. They're on their way. Because I'm going to need y'all to help me watch video.
I'm begging, I love you. I had to. I was so tempted. That person ain't gonna.
Oh, she said come in. She said come
Oh.
Begging you. Begging you. Make yourself a coffee for your head. Make you like you want
Okay, I'm done. Hey, Haley.
But
I don't think that person cares. Now I got that song stuck in my head and I can't stop singing.
so you're addicted to singing? Sophia,
I'm your camera crew.
hey.
I get paid $10,000 for it.
Hey, I ain't that rich.
You will pay me or no YouTube.
How much do I have to pay you?
And how much money will you offer?
1,000.
How about
1,500. 1,100. 1,500. I can't talk. Sorry.
5,000? 5,000?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that.
YouTube will go on. Wait, before you gotta do that, you gotta hand me my money. Okay. Say here.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
It just sounded like my mom said a bad word. I will tell you
Wait,
later.
no, don't.
Not over YouTube.
I did not mean for you to take it.
I'm taking them.
The whole YouTube. can see your face. Wait, hi. When do you want to end this video? I can't. Hey, when do you want to end this video?
What?
When do you want to end this video?
We can now and just let that girls think we're doing a video. That'd work.
I'm gonna end your video now.
Wait, we gotta say our outro, so we gotta say we'll be right back. No. Okay. I'm doing a video right now.
No, okay. Yep, okay.
Where'd you go? We do outro outside.
No, we do outro right here.
But outros are for outside.
No! Bye, guys. I will see you in the next video.
Me too.
Bye.
Everybody goes of America.
What? What you said? What?
I said bye, people of America.
Yeah. And
Or
the UK.
wherever you live.
Hey, and the UK. I got a fan that lives in the UK, okay? Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.